Okay, here is my issue with this rivet setter. So as you can see, the 10 millimeter fits fine, and the 10 millimeter fits just fine in there. See, it fits perfect in there. The 8 millimeter, which there are two sides to the base on the side of this one and this one, both have 8 millimeter. That fits in there just fine. It fits perfect. See, fits inside of the base. The 6 millimeter, however, which is what I got this for 6 millimeter rivets, does not fit in there at all. It just doesn't fit. It's too big. It's BS. So it's useless to me.
These little tiny, whatever you call them. I didn't know how to do it, and I was reading on Amazon, and one of the men said to get this tool. So thank you for putting that on Amazon, the information. This is perfect. Yeah, I'm not losing these little doodads anymore. They're in place.